Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Right now, I want to be sharing you news about COTPS, the latest news about COTPS. And if you are just joining, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I want us to do practical again because it's been long we did practical. I want to check what is going on because the 5 weeks is already here. We only have 3 days left. We only have 3 days left for the 5 weeks to elapse. So, my brothers and sisters, on the 27th of this month, we make it exactly 3 weeks of COTPS. The 3 to 5 weeks they gave to us will elapse, and we are now not seen any of the maybe the site or the app opening, but we are seeing transactions on Transcan and other scan site that they used to scan wallet address. So right now, let me try out the app. Then after trying out the app, we'll try and see how the transaction is going on COTPS. So I will try out the app right now to see what happens. So you can see I've opened a COTPS app, and this the only advantage I'm having on the app right now is the time. It's showing me time. That is the only advantage I'm seeing on the app right now. So it is not opening. Even if you go to Chrome browser and the Firefox browser. But I want to say something right now. Please, if your wallet address has been credited, on my on some of the old videos I made, I showed how to check if your wallet has been credited. So please use the comment section below if your wallet has been credited, because mine is still 00. Mine is still the old deposit I made to COTPS. That is still the deposit that is still there since last month, May beginning. So if you have received any deposit from COTPS, please do let us know on the comment section. So right now I want to quickly go to the Transcan to see if transaction is still going on. So let's go to the Transcan. This COTP official wallet address is already here. So I want to check it right now to see if there is a transaction going on. Okay. Today is 24th. Okay. As you can see, they are still doing transaction. June 24, 2022, time 7:44. There is still transaction going on COTPS. There is still transaction going on COTPS hot wallet. As you can see, there is still transactions going on COTPS. If you check the time very well, you will see the time is 7:44, and it's today. All these ones are today. This one 2,993 USDT. All these ones are today. So transaction is still going on. So where are they moving all this money to? Are they moving it to customers' wallet address, or they created different wallet address so that they will confuse Binance and tell Binance that they are moving it to customers' wallet address and they are sending it to somewhere else? I don't know. I don't know what is going on. because the 3 to 5 weeks they gave to us will elapse in 7 days. And I mean in 3 days time, on the 27th of this month, the time frame they gave to us will expire. Look at, they are sending different okay, this one now, as you can see from Binance Hut to this particular address, I have not received dime since they started. Since over 1 week they started this transaction, I have not received anything on my wallet. And almost everybody that I'm with that invested on Cotps has not received anything. If you check your own particular wallet on Tronscan, you will see that you have, if you check it and you have received any money recently apart from the one you made deposit of, please let us know in the comment section so that we will have hope. Because for now, nobody has proved that he or she has received any money from COTP. So please, if you have received, please do let us know on the comment section. And if you don't know how to check it on Tronscan, you can just join the Telegram group. There is a link on the description. They will send you how to. We'll send you link to check it. Or you watch our previous videos, you will see how to check it. So that is it, my people. So what we are seeing now is that they are still transferring money, but I'm just asking on which wallet, because none of my friends, none of my fans has proved that he or she has received any money. So please, thank you very much. If you have any evidence or proof, please, there are people waiting to see and to hear good news. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.